COLOURS, colors. RED, red. Let's find the color red. Yes, we found it. YELLOW. Let's find the color yellow. Yes, we found it. BLUE, blue. Where is blue? Yes, we found it. GREEN, green. Find green color. Yes, we found it. BLACK, black. Let's find the black color. Yes, we got it. WHITE, white. Find the color white. PURPLE, purple. Let's find purple. GRAY, gray. Where is gray color? Find it. Yes, we found it. PINK, pink. Here is pink color. ORANGE, orange. This is orange. BROWN, brown. Let's find brown color. Here, the colors we learned today: red, yellow, blue, green, pink, purple, white, orange, grey, brown, and black. Thank you.